I'm sharing my thoughtfully curated luxury wishes for 2025, pieces that spark genuine joy and stand the test of time. We will talk about why I'm embracing fewer, more meaningful luxury pieces and how a simplified wardrobe of classic investment has transformed not just my closet but my entire approach to style. Let's get into it. Hello guys, I'm finally back from my break and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Faye and I've just returned from the most wonderful winter break with my family in Portugal and the south of Spain. It was exactly what I needed to start 2025, being present and spending quality time together and filling my heart with love and inspiration. Today I want to share my luxury wish list for 2025, but more importantly talk about how my mindset around luxury has evolved. Looking back at my purchases from last year, I actually made a few mistakes, which I discussed in my previous video that I will link to here. Most came from those moments when I jumped at a sale item or felt pressured by rare opportunities like that Hermes box leather bag that I'm talking about in this video. And what I've learned is that just because something is rare or on sale doesn't mean it actually fits my lifestyle. And that has really changed my mindset around what pieces I really invest in. So let me take you through the pieces I'm genuinely dreaming about for 2025 and why each one holds a special meaning for me. And let's start with handbags, because you know they are my weakness. First on my list is the Birkin 25. I'm drawn to either an Étoupe or cool-toned neutral with palladium hardware in Togo leather. Why these specific details? The size 25 is perfect for my frame, and Étoupe is this incredible chameleon color that basically works with everything in my wardrobe, and I choose Togo leather because it's durable yet keeps its shape beautifully over time. And next is the Kelly 25. I'm torn between Rouge, Sellier and chocolate brown, both with palladium hardware. These colors just speak to me because they are rich and timeless, but not as common as black. And the Kelly 25 is such a versatile size that works from day to evening, and these colors would complement my existing collection perfectly. And next bag on my wish list is the Bottega Veneta Andiamo in small fondant. And that bag has really caught my eye for its understated elegance. What I love about this bag is how it combines the current design elements with timeless craftsmanship, and the fondant color is this beautiful rich brown that adds warmth to any outfit. When I tried it in the boutique, the leather really felt buttery soft, and I'm sure it will age beautifully. I've seen some dupes on Amazon, of course, but I don't believe that the leather in those bags wouldn't hold the test of time as well as the Bottega one, but the price is quite hefty, so this is why I'm still considering if I would buy it or not. And obviously it also depends on if I get offered a Birkin or Kelly during this year. And for everyday practicality, I'm considering either a Chanel backpack in burgundy or a Goyard backpack in white or burgundy. And this choice is really about combining function with elegance, something I can use for travel or busy days without compromising on style. I tried on this beautiful burgundy backpack last fall at Chanel that I just regret buying. I love the color but wasn't sure at the time if I wanted to splurge that much on a backpack. For that reason, I think that the Goyard backpack is a great alternative. However, I do worry about the capacity because it seems quite small, so I need to try it on. And for you who doesn't know, Goyard in Europe, Goyard only have physical boutiques in a few countries and always a very long queue. So I guess I have to be lucky if I can score one. And moving on to jewelry, I've been very intentional about my choices here. So the first item I want to talk about is the Messika Baby Move necklace in rose gold. It has been on my mind for months, and what draws me onto this piece is how it combines delicate design with that subtle movement of the diamonds. and it's playful yet sophisticated, and I just love how special it looks. And as it is still a quite understated design, I mean, it's not as often seen as the Van Cleef Alhambra design, but still, if you know, you know. And the price point is much better compared to other luxury jewelers. You get really high quality diamonds, as Messika originally was and is a diamond trading company. And Messika was born in Paris in 2005 and is currently run by Valérie Messika, currently the only businesswoman who owns her own jewelry house in France. And next jewelry on my wish list is actually a Van Cleef piece. It's the Van Cleef Alhambra in white gold Chalcedony. It is for sure another dream piece for me. The Chalcedony has this ethereal, cloudy blue quality that feels both classic and unique, and it's the kind of piece that could become a signature in my collection. And for rings, the Bulgari Serpenti in white gold with pavé diamonds has caught my eye. It's bold yet elegant, and I love how it wraps around the finger. It's like wearing a piece of art. I've tried it on before, and I love how it works like two rings in one, depending on which way you wear the ring. It is the year of the snake, according to lunar calendar this year, and I actually celebrated this last week with some friends and made over 150 dumplings. And we ended up the night with karaoke, and I sung until I almost didn't have any voice left. So I had to wait to film my video. Snake is actually my Chinese zodiac sign, so it feels extra special. And to memorize this year, I really would love to invest in a jewelry, and I'm torn between buying a ring from the Serpenti collection or buying the Diva's Dream necklace in white, which also really has grown on me. And that necklace I tried the other day, and I think it just pops. And for accessories, I'm focusing on pieces that combine comfort with elegance, and I really think that the Hermes suede boots in chocolate brown would be perfect for autumn and winter. What I love about these is the subtle branding and exceptional quality. They are the kind of boots that get better with age, and I love that they don't look as basic as the black calf leather boots, even though if those black one also looks really beautiful and chic. But if I'm only going to buy one pair, then I would prefer to get the suede leather, because it seems more soft toward the legs. And I also think that it looks more different. And I noticed that I've really been into suede lately, because next in my wish list is the Chanel suede ballerinas and Loro Piana loafers, because they represent that perfect balance of comfort and luxury. These are the kind of shoes that elevate simple outfits while being comfortable enough for long days. I bought the classical black and beige ballerinas from Chanel last year, and they turned out to be so useful and comfortable. And this is why I would like to find another pair, either in full beige or burgundy red. And what I realize is that my best purchases have always been the one I've thought about deeply, the pieces that serve a purpose beyond just looking pretty, because they are the investments in quality, in timeless style, and in my personal joy. And now I would like to turn to you. I'd love to hear about your approach to luxury purchases. What pieces are you dreaming about for 2025? Please share your thought in the comments below. And thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!